This is the total package of iPhone 5C, and it's, I think, in 2026 and be able to have this is very lucky. I keep it in 2023, I think, and it basically not turn it that way, but just want to show the color. So originally it placed like this, and to show the color like this. And what you got to do to pop it out, you cannot pop out like this with a brand new phone. It will damage. It will be damage your phone here. Why it's not focused? It will be damaged here. So what you got to do, you have to pop. See, pop it open like this. See that? You have to pop open like this, and it will come out. So it ran out of battery. I haven't. So this is the hello guide. It has headphone jack, charger brick, wire. So this is the hello. Still have the pin. This is 5C. Here, the ear pod. This one called ear pod, not AirPod. Okay? Ear pod with headphone jack. Beautiful. See that? And the phone is a total package, but you only see the phone, the charger, and the case. This is what total package means. This is it. This is the total package of iPhone 5C. Whoa. So thick, but beautiful. See that? Beautiful.